play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DeCardia, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So if you have not heard about WIG subscription box, baby, I'm here for you, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys about this. So I got 3 wigs for $49.99 for each month. Baby, that's 3 wigs in a month. So anywho, I got one of these wigs from WIG Hair. So thank you, WIG. So this is Laude and Company. This is the Infinity T-part wig, and she is called RUTH. Y'all, I never had a T-part wig like this. So I'm gonna go on ahead and open this up for you guys and give you the juicy details.
Straight up.
So taking it out the box and taking it out the neck, you guys, these curls are beautiful. The hair is literally giving me body waves. It's gorgeous. And this is the T part. You guys, I love this. It looks so natural to me. But anywho, let me go ahead and give you the details on the inside of this wig. And you see the part. It is a T part, okay? And I was just amazed at this. So let me tell you, it comes with 2 combs in the front, and it also comes with 1 comb in the back. This unit also has adjustable straps. All right, so let's get started molding the hair. So I do not know how to braid. I do twist and I put in a ponytail, and now I'm about to put some edge control on my edges so I can push that back, because I don't want to get any lace spray or anything on my natural hair, because baby, we gotta save the edges, okay? We got to.
Straight up.
So now it's time for a stocking cap. And y'all, I reused my stocking caps. Baby, we don't throw nothing away over here, okay? If it ain't a hole in it, it's not ripped. Oh, baby, I'm gonna keep it. So I did use this in a last wig install. So I'm gonna reuse it because the foundation is clearly on there. And I am not wasting anything. Yes, I am that girly who loves to save. And if you enjoy saving, baby, subscribe to my channel. Come on over here to the winning team, aka the cheap team, the budget queens. Okay. All right. Anyway, let's get started. Soon as I put this wig on, baby, I was like, okay, you know what? I want to make this glueless. Let's not lay down this lace. Let's see what we can do making this unit glueless. So, y'all, it's not too often I'm going to do this, okay? It's not too often I'm going to sit here and not lay the lace down, but I'm going to do this for y'all because we love a unit where you can take off and put back on and not lay anything down. And baby, this is the unit for that, okay?
Straight up.
And like I told you guys before, we're going to do this glueless. So you don't need no melting spray, no got to be spray, no nothing. Let's do this, girl.
Straight up.
So really, I'm showing you the difference between both sides. So the left side is plucked, the right side is not. And y'all, I'm not the best when it comes to plucking, but I'm actually giving you the raw details of me plucking. I was really debating about the baby hairs because I'm on the fence. Yes, I want them. No, I don't. Because nowadays, people can really do the most when it comes to baby hairs. But I like a more settled look, if that makes sense. I like a natural kind of baby hair look instead of like, oh, swoop, swoop, swoop all along the edge. So I did decide on some baby hairs, but not dramatic. So, yeah. But before I do the baby hairs, I like to slick back my part area, make sure it looks more natural, like it's coming out of my scalp. And then I will do the baby hairs.
Straight up.
Now, when it comes to layers, you can wear this unit as is, but me being me, I like to cut layers, especially in front. So I am about to do that with this unit.
30 hertz straight up.
So after all this, baby, there's nothing else to do. Let me go on ahead and transfer over to what y'all are waiting for.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge you. Milkshake brings all the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the boys to the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. You wanna sit?
Baby, this unit is a 10 out of a 10. If you can get a unit where you can wear it glueless, it is a unit that you should try. I also put this hair up, and the way that I styled it was so cute. Y'all, get this unit, okay? I have nothing bad to say about this, and this is all I have to say about this. So if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll check y'all in another video. Bye.
Spread like mustard, shit got hot. You sent feds to my spot. Took me to court, tried to take all I got. Another intricate plot. The bitch said I raped her. Damn, why she wanna stick me for my paper? My Moschino hole, my Versace hottie. Come to find out, you was fucking everybody. You knew about me, the fake ID. Cases in Virginia, body in DC. Won't always me, that's what I get for tricking. Came out on bail, commenced to ass kicking. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.